The train I want is at the very bottom, Stuttgart. But I'm not going all the way to Stuttgart, just to Mannheim. The train leaves from platform 5, so let's get down there. Well, let's catch up. The last time we saw each other was in the Brasov area in Transylvania, Romania, as we wound down a 12-day excursion in the capital city of Bucharest and out into the hinterlands of small towns, castles, fortified churches, and natural areas. It was a great trip, and I made about 20 videos capturing all I possibly could of the beautiful country of Romania. So be sure to check those out if you haven't done so already. So now what are we doing? Well, I decided to round out my Romanian adventure by paying a short visit to another European country on my way back home to California. Last night I flew from Bucharest here to Frankfurt, spent the night at an airport hotel here, and this morning I'm taking one of the efficient and clean German trains to my favorite part of Germany. In fact, it's one of my favorite places in the world, and I'm inviting you to come along. We're here on platform 5 waiting for our train in the direction of Stuttgart. We'll be getting off at Mannheim, then transferring to a tram headed for our final destination. That destination is Bad Dürkheim, a small town located along the German Weinstrasse, or Wine Road. I think you'll like it. This will be a German intercity express train, or ICE for short. I bought my ticket at one of the machines here in the station. I previously used the German Bahn website to look at the schedules and pick the outgoing and return trains that best met my needs. So I've landed here at the Mannheim Hauptbahnhof, the main train station in Mannheim, just about an hour south of Frankfurt, and I need to find the tram that goes to Bad Dürkheim. I did this once before several years ago, but I kind of forgot the process. I think it was over in this direction that you caught them, but I have no idea how to buy a ticket or find the particular tram, what time it leaves, and so forth. There is a tourist information office over here, so I'm going to ask them and see if somebody can tell me.
Is there a special stop you have to get out at Bad Dürkheim, or?
Well, it's a small place, I guess. So, there's a main station, or?
Okay, so do you already have the ticket?
I don't have the ticket.
Okay, so then you have to take the next one because it's a little bit later. Because the one which should leave directly now is 4 minutes late, so you would get it, but maybe if you have to buy the ticket, not really.
Okay.
So the next one is at 12:35, so in 20 minutes is the next one.
Okay.
And do you just need a one-way ticket or for the whole day?
Round trip, I'm coming back Thursday.
No, for today, just a one-way.
Just a one-way for today.
Okay, then you have to get it, let me just check which one it is. The one-way ticket is €6.80.
Okay.
To get there. You have to get it at the vending machine at the station.
Okay, is that outdoors also?
Yeah, it's outdoors. It's just there at the gate. Just where this tram is standing right now, there
Right.
you have to go.
Okay.
And behind one. And then there's also a vending machine, and it's the it's the price 4, you can say, because the area 1, 2, 3, 4, it's area 4, and the price is €6.80. That's the right ticket for you.
Okay. Does that machine take credit card?
I'm not sure. Usually cash, sometimes our Maestro card, but credit card, maybe. You have to check it because we don't sell the tickets, so I'm not sure about it.
Okay. And you said 12:35 is when it leaves.
12:35, yes, the
And
next
it's
one.
the 9 tram.
It's the 9, and it has Bad Dürkheim written on it.
It has that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I'll go find the vending machine now then.
Yeah, it should be on this station.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, I got some useful information out of that. She spoke English and she was very helpful, so let's go find the vending machine. In fact, there's the tram right now. It says Bad Dürkheim on it. But I've got to buy my ticket first, so I may not make this one. I would just have to wait 20 minutes for the next. But that's it right there. I don't want to risk getting on it without a ticket in my hand. Okay, I've got my ticket. So here's the 101. Bad Dürkheim. As we travel westward from Mannheim to Bad Dürkheim, we see a noticeable landscape change from urban grit to quaint houses and the vineyards of the German Palatinate, or as it's also called, the Pfalz wine region. This is where we find the Weinstrasse, the German wine route, with its idyllic medieval towns, castles, and lush vineyards. So we made it to Bad Dürkheim. Now let's find our way to the hotel. It's just a few blocks, but as usual, I'm trying to roll wheeled luggage along cobblestone streets. I used to stay in this hotel several years ago when I had a temporary work assignment over here in Germany. And I can tell it hasn't been updated since then, but that's okay, it looks fine. And I love the location. It's great to be back here in Bad Dürkheim. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you around this place, and I think you'll quickly see why it's one of my top 10 favorite towns in the world.